Yeah, elle veut danser, elle veut bouger, yeah. Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the twilight.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing great. I hope you are doing awesome. I hope you are doing fantabulous. Anyways, today is the 13th day of my 100 days of YouTube videos challenge. Like, I'm doing it, y'all. I'm actually doing it, and I'll be really grateful if you subscribe and grow with me and become part of my YouTube family. I will be really excited. Anyways, today I'm going to try on some few clothes that I got and just see how they fit. And I'll be happy if you let me know which outfit is your favorite so far in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye. So the first outfit is this white jean. It's a full-length jean. This white jean from Denim in size 8, and this leotard top from Pretty Little Thing in size 8. It's a size 8, but the hand is quite tight. The hand is like tight for me, and also my hair is so free, so I need a pin to pin it to look like this, because I don't know why. Maybe if I'm in my loud mood I might wear it like this, maybe to the club or something, but I don't know. I like the jean. The jean is really nice and it's fitted. You can see it's really fitted, so I like the jean. I'll give the jean like a 10. The top, I don't know yet how I feel about this. I know I'll definitely get a pin because it's something I can wear to the office, so I'll have to use like an office pin. Is it an office pin? No, there's one pin I'll have to use, or I'll just sew it here myself so that like I can wear it to work. Yeah, so this is outfit 1. This is outfit 2. I like this one. It's actually like really decent. It's nice, something I can wear to the office. This top is from Topshop, so I got it in size 8. I love this, it's nice, and it goes well with the white pants, so I like this so much. It's nice. It also has like a belt. It has like a belt that you can adjust, you can tie, and it has 2 pockets front, so you can just tie it and then wear it how you want, or style it how you want. You either tie it at the back or at the front, and it's on your style. Yeah, you see this dress? This dress was like love at first sight. No, not love at first sight, love at try on. Like when I first tried on this dress, well, I tried it on like yesterday or so because I saw it. I was like really interested in it, and I'm like, woo! This dress is a dress. Like, it is super pretty. It also has a belt at the back. Like, this dress is extremely pretty. I can't even lie. It's from Primark. It's a size 8 also, and you can see the details. Like, it's short at the front, then longer at the back. Like, it's so nice. And then here, a little bow at the front. The material, it's kind of light, but not too light. I like it. It's very, very cute. Very, like, such a beautiful dress. I can wear this to the office. Yeah, babe. This is the last outfit. This is actually giving like summer beach vibes. Yeah, this is definitely giving beach vibes. This top is a leotard and it's from Primark. It's in size extra small, and this jean shorts is from No Boundaries, and I like it. I like this giving beach vibe. That's it for my try on haul. I hope you really enjoyed it. This is my first try on haul. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends, and also comment which outfits were your favorite below in the comment section. Thank you so much. Bye.
Let them know who got the crown. Girl, who does it like you do. Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it.